Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm the IT trainer here at Tribeca. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen within a Teams meeting. Once you're in the Teams meeting, there might be a requirement for you to share your screen. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you a couple steps how to do this. So I'm here in a Teams meeting. So in the top right corner, you'll see this icon that says share. Again, you can also do this from Control-Shift-E, but selecting the share icon will pop up the option menu for you to select. There's multiple options here. So you can select your screen. The whole screen will then be displayed for the users in the meeting, and you can continue and present what you need. You can also start a Microsoft Whiteboard. This allows for you to share with the participants a whiteboard and also sketch together. Additionally, you can also select PowerPoint Live. This allows you to share a PowerPoint, but whilst also enabling yourself to see your notes, slides, and audience whilst you present. Once you've selected one of the options, a red border will appear on the screen. This shows you that your screen is being shared to the audience. In this instance, I've selected share screen, and you can see the certain parts of it that I can see that I am now sharing the full screen. Additionally, meeting participants won't see any notifications that come through to the screen. To stop sharing, just select the icon in the top right. This will then end the sharing session. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, please visit our YouTube channel.